Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to install Razer 7.1 surround sound. First thing first, download the Razer 7.1 surround sound software from Razer's official website. On the installer, then click Install. The process may take a few minutes to complete. Now, once installation is complete, open the 7.1 surround sound app and log in with your Razer ID. Now enter the activation code provided with your purchase. Just click Activate to enable the software. Activation codes are included with these Razer products, which are BlockShark V2X, Razer Kraken X, and Razer Base Station V2 Chroma, which product registration is required. On your PC, go to Settings, System, then Sound. Under the output device, select Speakers 7.1 Surround Sound. Now open the 7.1 Surround Sound app. Choose the output device you want to imply surround sound on. If you're using a headset connected via the 3.5mm port, select your onboard audio device, for example Realtek High Definition Audio. To turn it off, go to Settings, System, then Sound. Under Related Settings, click Sound Control Panel. Right-click on the playback device where 7.1 surround sound is active, then select Properties. Go to the Spatial Sound tab, and from the Spatial Sound Format drop-down, select Off, then click OK, and then Apply. Your Razer 7.1 surround sound is now activated and ready to use. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.